I have a Bosch built-in microwave. How do I remove trim from it so I can take out old microwave and replace it? Model hash.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. The trim for this microwave is just held in by spring friction clips. If you grab the top right and left corners of the trim and pull straight forward hard, it will pull the pegs, which are sort of like ball and socket pegs, forward and out of the spring clips. Then do the same to the bottom and the front trim will pull right off.
It doesn't seem to want to free itself. It's also over an existing built-in oven. Does that make a difference?
That shouldn't matter unless the microwave is part of the oven and it's all one assembly. If that's the case, then the oven would need to be pulled out of the wall with the microwave in order to remove screws into the trim, most likely. Either way, that's definitely how the trim comes off for this model if the correct trim kit was used with this model. If you look at H in the diagram below, those are the top two receptacles that the ball socket pins push into.
I believe the two appliances are attached. Could the trim be attached with screws as well?
From the backside it can be if the oven and microwave are attached. So if that's the case, you would need to open the oven door, remove the screws going in through the side trim of the oven, and pull the entire oven and microwave forward about 6 inches. Also, on some older combo units there are a few screws going through the top and bottom of the doorway, so be sure to open the microwave door first and look for screws going up or down into the trim that would be holding the trim on. Other than that, you need to pull the entire oven-microwave combo out.
Thanks.
Not a problem, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.